Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. What if I told you that the love you have been waiting for is already aligning itself to you right now? That the person who will cherish you, honor you, and choose you fully is being drawn closer with every breath you take. This meditation is designed to shift your energy into the version of you who is already deeply loved, already chosen, and already prioritized. And by the end of this, you won't be chasing love anymore. Love will be chasing you. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and release through your mouth. Again, breathe in and exhale, letting your shoulders soften. Feel your body becoming heavier, calmer, and supported. Release any tension in your face, your jaw, or your chest. Let go of the past. Let go of the overthinking. Let go of needing to control anything. Right now, you are safe to receive. Allow these words to sink deeply into your subconscious and repeat them silently or out loud. I am deeply loved and cherished. I am chosen effortlessly and consistently. I am worthy of commitment, devotion, and loyalty. Love flows to me naturally and easily. I attract a partner who sees my value and honors it. I am the priority, never the option. I am magnetic to genuine, lasting love. My presence inspires deep emotional connection. I am aligned with a partner who wants forever with me. I receive love that is stable, secure, and abundant. I am the person they dream of building a life with. I am adored, respected, and pursued. Love finds me at the perfect time in the perfect way. I am ready to receive the relationship I deserve. I am already living in the energy of being chosen. Now pause, breathe, and feel each affirmation becoming true. Now imagine a moment in your near future. You are standing in a beautiful place, maybe somewhere meaningful to you. The air feels soft. The energy feels warm. And there they are, the person who loves you deeply. Look into their eyes. Notice the way they look at you with certainty, admiration, and love. They take your hands, and in this moment, you feel it fully. You are chosen. You are enough. You are everything they have been looking for. Feel the emotions rising in your chest. Feel the joy, security, peace, and excitement. Let yourself experience it as if it's happening now, because energetically it is. This is your reality aligning. This is your manifestation unfolding. Stay in this feeling. Let it expand. Let it become your new normal. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice how your body feels now, lighter, open, and magnetic. You are no longer waiting for love. You are embodying it. And what you embody, you attract. Now before you open your eyes, say, I am ready to receive the love that is meant for me. And when you are ready, gently come back. To lock in this energy, type this affirmation in the comments. I am chosen, loved, and prioritized. This signals to your mind and the universe that you are claiming this reality. And if you are ready to manifest even faster, visit joybyjanell.com for deeper tools, guidance, and powerful manifestation support designed to align you with the love you deserve. Your new reality has already begun.